So I'm here with you guys today. If you notice, I'm driving down the road here. Sun's blinding. I'm doing about 37 right now in third gear. But if I slow down and take my foot off the accelerator pedal, my transmission or something under there makes a weird noise, grinding sound. Here you go. I'm going to let it idle. I'll take my foot off the gas, just say. 1 second. Let me speed up here so I can try and get off my ass. There it goes, right there, about 30 miles an hour. There it is. I don't know what, they tried to take my parking brake cable up yesterday and it might have fallen.